Welcome to this practical lecture. Create a new file and save it with the extension of SQL. Select folder. File name is test SQL. Extension is SQL. This is single line comment in SQL. Backcode in SQL, an identifier is used to separate database and table name. It can be found on the keyboard, which is on the same key as the tilde and directly below the escape key in the top left portion of the keyboard. Dot is qualifier character. For MariaDB syntax, we can use this. Create table if not exist means that if this table is not exist in the database. So change the name student, and you know that our database name is test SQL. Test SQL. So ID is the column name, data type our domain, integer, auto increment means increment by 1 in the current value, and primary key is the key which is unique and not null. Column name is name, data type is varchar, and size is 30 and also not null. Column name is blood, data type is varchar, and size is 5. Phone, or you can say that hostel status, varchar, size is 5, and by default value is no. Father name, varchar 30. By using comma, we can separate columns by one another. Like phone is a column name, varchar 14. Now copy the SQL query and just paste it here. There is no error. If I remove comma, you can or mouse here, a comma or closing bracket was expected. So just put comma, copy it, press Ctrl plus enter. So new table is created successfully by using SQL statement. Student table, go to structure, ID, name, blood, hostel, father name, phone, table created successfully. If you want to update a column, you can change and you can also change the values, data type by using this interface. Okay. So for SQL Server, copy the syntax, copy it also, and yes, table name is student. Copy the query, go to SQL Server, click here new query, select the database which is test SQL and paste the query. First check the query. Okay, so commands completed successfully. So execute the query, go to tables, right click, design, ID, name, blood, hostel status, father name, phone. Same as ID, name, blood, hostel, father name, phone. So thank you for watching this video.